there's a beautiful philosophy of ants from which we can learn a lot. The ant philosophy is called. There are 4 parts of the story. There are 4 parts of the story. How many of you all have seen ants collecting their food? देखते हैं ना, ants होती है अपना खाना बनाती है, वो जो भी कलेक्ट करके जहाँ जाना है वहाँ जाते हैं. देखा है ना? Yes, no? कभी भी बीच में एक पेन डालो, क्या होगा? क्या? लाउडर. अलग हो जाएंगे, लेकिन जैसे भी करके ऊपर से नीचे से साइड से जहां से हैं उनके रास्ते में वापस आ जाते हैं. यस नो? यस नो? अपना भी वही चीज. इफ यू आर कमिटेड, इफ यू आर डेडिकेटेड टू द वर्क दैट यू डूइंग, if you are dedicated to the work that you are doing, once the dedication is there, a discipline automatically comes in. But if there is no dedication, how much ever, let it be whatever you are doing. If there is no dedication, you will always find excuses. You will find reasons. You will take shortcuts. Once you have a dedication, look at the ants. You stop them in between somewhere, you put some pen or you put some paper or you divert them. Look, after 2 minutes, they will be right on the track where they wanted to be. The path might have changed. The path might have changed, but they will be right on track of where they want to go. That is how we need to learn. Like the ants, we need to be committed to the goal that we have set. And whatever problem comes, एक दिन तबीयत खराब हुई तो दूसरे दिन do the double hard work. 1 घंटे के बदले 2 घंटे पढ़ो. नहीं, कल तबीयत खराब थी, आज भी रेस्ट करते हैं. होता है ना? Yes, no? That's how we do. If you are committed, things will automatically fall in place. But for that, the commitment is very important. The next part. The preparation part of it. Ants collect their food because in the winters it's very cold outside for them to collect their food. So what do? Wait for winters to collect food? What do? In the summer, start preparing for the winters. All through the summers, all the ants you see, they are preparing non-stop because the winters will be coming. They don't wait for winters before one day of winter suddenly say there is no food. अब क्या होगा, कैसे होगा, अभी क्या करेंगे? Look at what happens to us before the exams. अरे पढ़ाई करनी है, ये एग्जाम लेना है, कल एग्जाम में पढ़ो सब बुक्स सब चैप्टर्स आज ही पढ़ लो. वही चीज अगर आपने प्रिपेयर किया हो एंड सीखा हो, अगेन माय ऑब्जेक्टिव इज सिंपल, लर्निंग. आई एम नॉट सेइंग रटने की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. माय ऑब्जेक्टिव इज लर्निंग. अगर आपने जो क्लास में पढ़ा है, अगर क्लास में ढंग से सुना है, समझा है और सीखा है अगर, तो आपको एग्जाम के 1 दिन पहले टेंशन नहीं होगी क्योंकि आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो. और सडनली आज क्लास में आने के बाद सरप्राइज टेस्ट होता है तो आधे लोग टेंशन में आ गया, आधे लोग ठीक है आता है तो पूछेंगे लिखेंगे. आता है तो प्रिपरेशन की बात ही नहीं होती है. That is where we are talking of. You need to prepare, you need to learn well in advance rather than waiting for the last moment to do something. Rather than waiting for, चलो एग्जाम के 1 दिन पहले आप 12 बजे तक भी पढ़ लोगे. वही मैं कह रहा हूँ जो 9:30-10 बजे सो रहे हो, रोज एक आधा घंटा और डिले करके सो, उसमें वो प्रिपरेशन करो. लास्ट दिन के लिए वेट करके उस दिन 1 बजे तक पढ़ने के बदले रोज एक आधा घंटा दो. विच इज इजियर? खाना रोज खाते हो ना? ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच, स्नैक्स, डिनर सब खाते हो ना? या फिर सब हफ्ते का एक ही दिन में पूरा एक ही दिन रोज खाते हो ना? That is what we are talking about. You need to do things on a daily basis. Prepare well in advance rather than waiting for that last moment when you are preparing. Do the little preparation on a daily basis. वो करोगे तो लास्ट दिन का एग्जाम का टेंशन है, प्रिपरेशन का प्रॉब्लम है, वो सब नहीं होगा. You have the time now. Invest on a daily basis. The third part is faith. जब प्रॉब्लम होती है, नहीं समझ में आता है, we often become weak. We often doubt whether I will be able to learn or not. And during the winters, they keep coming out to see if summer has come. They have the faith that summer is going to come soon. You have to have faith that you will be able to crack this or learn this soon. Unless you have faith and you keep the doubts away, you will not be able to do it. You need to understand, you need to keep faith. आज कम आए ठीक है, आज मार्क्स नहीं आया, आज फेल हो गया, आज ये एग्जाम में ये आंसर नहीं दे पाया, it's okay. You will succeed if you learn, if you commit yourself, if you try to learn in a better way. few problem को क्या प्रॉब्लम को समझ के अगर करोगे, you will be able to get an answer. A lot of people start thinking कि भाई मैथ्स अच्छा है, वो सब मैं करूँगा, इंग्लिश में पास हो जाऊँ तो बस. A lot of people think of it in that way. When you say, when you have lost hope, when you have given up, you never succeed. You never succeed if you have given up hope. That is where we need to understand of how what we are doing. We need to have faith that we will be able to pass through that. You will be able to pass through that, like that. And the last one, how much preparation do you do? The last part of the AND philosophy, how much preparation do you do? How much food do you eat? How much food do you eat? On a daily basis, the things that you're doing, how much are you? You do as much as possible. You do as much as possible. The ants believe in this thing. They don't set a target around to do this much. How much possible they can collect the food, they keep doing that. Until the winters come, they keep collecting the food. They don't say, okay, for 30 days I'll eat this much food, so I'll collect that and sit down. If there is room, there is some extra room possibility, they keep doing those things.